Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the file and why you're sending it. Check the file size against your email provider's limit. If it's too large, compress into a ZIP or convert to PDF. Rename the file with a clear name so the recipient recognizes it immediately. Next, open your Email Compose window and choose Attach or Insert. Select the file from your folder. Once attached, confirm the preview or icon appears. This ensures the file was added before you continue composing. Now focus on the message and delivery. Write a clear subject that summarizes the attachment's purpose, then craft a short message explaining what the file contains and any action you expect. Add recipients. Put main people into, colleagues in CC, and use BCC to hide addresses when needed. If you used cloud storage, paste the share link and make sure permissions allow viewing or editing, otherwise recipients will be blocked. Finally, scan the body for clarity and any deadlines. Finish by reviewing everything: attachments, subject, message, and recipients. When you're satisfied, press send. Make sure to request a confirmation or read receipt if you need acknowledgement. Follow up after a day if you don't hear back. If the file bounces or the recipient reports it's blocked, don't panic. Upload the file to a cloud service, set link permissions to anyone with the link or specific people, and resend the link. That single step resolves most delivery and size problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.